Hello, my dear student. Assalamu alaikum. I am ABM Moinul Islam, Associate Professor, Department of Mathematics, Raju Guttra Model College. Today I want to discuss for the student of class 9 English version, and today's subject is mathematics. My dear students, now I will discuss on chapter 16 and exercise 16.1. This lecture is second lecture on this exercise. At the previous lecture, I discussed on some formulas of this exercise, and also we solved some problems. Today also we solved another some problems of exercise. First one is question number 9, and here the question is, if the lengths of the perpendiculars from a point interior of an equilateral triangle, two three sides are 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter and 8 centimeter respectively, then find the length of sides of the triangle and therefore also find the area of the triangle. Here you can see a figure. Here ABC is an equilateral triangle, and let us consider the length of each side of this triangle is a centimeter. Therefore, area of this triangle, it is formula root 3 by 4 a square centimeter. Now we complete the figure. Let O be any point inside the triangle ABC. From point O, we draw three perpendiculars. You can see in the figure. These perpendiculars are OD, OE and OF on BC, CA and AB respectively. And let here OD is equal to 6 centimeter, OE length of OE is 7 centimeter and length of OF is 8 centimeter. Now we join three vertices A, B and C with O, that is join O comma A, then O comma B and O comma C. Now I want to discuss how we can solve this problem. In the figure you can see that by OA, OB and OC, the triangle ABC is divided into three parts, into three triangles, and these triangles are triangle AOB, triangle BOC and triangle AOC. Now we will find out the area of these three triangles, and therefore the sum of the areas of these three triangles is equal to the area of whole triangle ABC. You can see the figure in triangle ABC by OA, OB and OC. This triangle is divided into three parts, and these are triangle AOB, triangle BOC and triangle AOC. Now area of triangle BOC is equal to half into base into height. That means half into base is BC and height is OD. So therefore half into BC into OD is equal to half into BC is A and OD is 6. That is area of triangle BOC becomes 3A square centimeter. Then area of triangle AOB is equal to again half into base into height. Here base is AB and height is OF. So putting the values, half into AB is A and OF is 8. So finally area of triangle AOB becomes 4A square centimeter. Last of all, area of triangle AOC is equal to half into base into height. That means AC into OE. Here base is AC and O is perpendicular. Putting the values, then we get half into A into 7. AC is A and O is 7. So finally we get 7A by 2 square centimeter, which is the area of triangle AOC. Now, according to the question, the sum of areas of these three triangles is equal to the area of whole triangle ABC. So we can write area of first triangle BOC is 3A, then plus area of triangle AOB means 4A, and plus area of triangle AOC is 7a by 2 is equal to area of whole triangle root 3 by 4 a square. At left side, here is LCM. LCM is 2 and the numerator becomes 6a plus 8a plus 7a, and at right side root 3 by 4a square. That means by adding we get 21a, and here 2 is cancelled. So at right side we get root 3 by 2 a square. Now a is cancelled from both sides. Then we get root 3 by 2a is equal to 21. That is a is equal to 21 into 2 divided by root 3. Then by calculating from here we get the value of a is 24.25 approximately. That is the length of each side of equilateral triangle ABC. We consider a, so it becomes 24.25 centimeter approximately, and area of the triangle ABC is equal to formula root 3 by 4 a square. By putting the value of a root 3 by 4 24.25 whole square, and then finally area becomes 254.64 square centimeter approximately. In the question, the question was in two parts. The first question was find the length of each side of the triangle, and which is 24.25 centimeter approximately. And second question was find the area, and the area is 254.64 centimeter square centimeter approximately. So that's all of question number 9. Now we go for next question, and it is question number 10. Here the stem is the perpendicular of a right angle triangle is 6 centimeter less than 11 by 12 times of the base, and the hypotenuse is 3 centimeter less than 4 by 3 times of the base. Then question A is let the base be x, express the area of the triangle in terms of x. Then question number B is find the length of the base of right angle triangle. And question number C is if the length of the base of the triangle is 12 centimeter, then find the area of the equilateral triangle having the same perimeter as its perimeter. Okay, now we will solve this problem. Here at first the stem of the question, and then question number A, let the base be x, then express the area of the triangle in terms of x. So here you can see the figure. Here given ax is the base of this triangle. So then according to the question we can say that length of the perpendicular is equal to here is given 11 by 12 times of the base, that is 11 by 12 of x, and 6 centimeter less, that is minus 6. So that is perpendicular will be 11x by 12 minus 6 unit. And now question is express the area of the triangle. So now we know area of the triangle of a right angle triangle is half into base into height. Here base is x and height is 11x by 12 minus 6. So therefore putting these values we get the area of this triangle is x into 11x by 24. By multiplying this half we get 11x by 24 and minus 6 by 2 means 3. Now we will solve question number B. Here the question is find the length of the base of the right angle triangle. Here you can see the figure of right angle triangle ABC. Here we consider the length of the base be 12 centimeter, because if we want to avoid the fraction, then we consider this, that is base will be 12x, that is the reason behind that is, here you can see two fractions. One of them is 11 by 12 and another one is 4 by 3. Here the LCM of 12 and this 3 is 12. So if we consider the length of base is 12x, then the hypotenuse and perpendicular will not be fraction. So therefore length of the perpendicular will be 11 by 12 times this is given 11 by 12 times of the base, that is 11 by 12 into 12x, and 6 centimeter less, that is minus 6 centimeter. Then this perpendicular becomes 11x minus 6 centimeter. Again length of the hypotenuse is equal to 4 by 3 times of the base, that is 4 by 3 into 12x, and 3 centimeter less, 3 centimeter less, that is minus 3 centimeter. Then length of hypotenuse becomes 16x minus 3 centimeter. Now in right angle triangle ABC, according to Pythagoras theorem, we can say that base whole square plus perpendicular whole square is equal to at right side hypotenuse whole square. That is after putting the values, here we get base is 12x, perpendicular is 11 minus 6, and hypotenuse is 16x minus 3. And then just we use the formula. Here 12x whole square is 144x square, and here a minus b whole square means a square minus twice ab plus b square, and at right side also a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then we just remove this bracket from here, and all terms of right hand side we bring this at left hand side, so their sign will be changed. Then by adding and subtracting, finally we get 9x square minus 36x plus 27 is equal to 0. Dividing both sides by 9, we get x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. And then by Miller-Term factor, we get this line. From first two terms we take common x, and from last two terms we take common minus 1. So therefore we get finally x minus 3 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then we know if the product of two terms is 0, then either first term is 0, that is x minus 3 is equal to 0. From here we get x is equal to 3, or second term, that is x minus 1 is equal to 0, that is x is equal to 1. So that is we got two values of x, one of them is 1 and another one is 3. If x is equal to 1, then length of the base, it was 12x, so it becomes 12 into 1 centimeter, that is 12 centimeter. Again when x is equal to 3, then length of the base will be 12 into 3 centimeter, that is 36 centimeter. So finally we get the two values of the base. One of them is 12 centimeter and another one is 36 centimeter. These two are the result of question number B. Now we go for question number C, and it is, if the length of the base of the triangle is 12 centimeter, then find the area of the equilateral triangle having the same perimeter as its perimeter. Here you can see the right angle triangle ABC. In the question it is given that length of the base is 12 centimeter. So therefore length of the perpendicular is 11 by 12 times of the base, that is 11 by 12 into 12, and minus 6 centimeter less, that is minus 6 centimeter. So finally we get 11 minus 6 is equal to 5 centimeter. Again, length of the hypotenuse is equal to 4 by 3 times of the base, means 12, and then 3 centimeter less, that means minus 3 centimeter, is equal to 16 minus 3 is equal to 13 centimeter. Now perimeter of the right angle triangle is equal to sum of these three sides, that is 12 plus 5 plus 13 is equal to 30 centimeter. So therefore in the question it is given that the perimeter of the equilateral triangle is equal to the perimeter of the right angle triangle. So therefore the perimeter of the equilateral triangle is also 30 centimeter. Now length of one side of this equilateral triangle is perimeter by 3, that is 30 by 3 centimeter is equal to 10 centimeter, and we consider this length is A. So therefore area of equilateral triangle is equal to, formula is root 3 by 4 A square. Here the value of A is 10, so it becomes root 3 by 4 into 10 square centimeter, that is root 3 by 4 into 100 square centimeter. Then finally we get 25 root 3 square centimeter. That is, this is the result of question number C, that is area of equilateral triangle is 25 root 3 square centimeter. Student, now I want to give a homework to you. Here STEM is, consider the diagram and answer the following. Here you can see a diagram. ABC is a right angle triangle whose side AB is 15 centimeter is given, and length of AC is 25 centimeter. And here BD is perpendicular to AC and angle B is one right angle. Now question number A is, find the length of the side BC. Here using Pythagoras theorem easily you can find out the value of BC. Then question number B is, find the length of BD. Here area of right angle triangle is half into BC into AB. Then you will get the area of this triangle. Again area of this triangle is also half into AC into BD, and these two area will be equal, and from that relation you will get the length of BD. And question C is, find the ratio of areas of triangle ABD and triangle BCD. At first you will find out the length of AD, because from B you get BD and AB is given, so using Pythagoras theorem easily you get AD, and from AC you subtract AD, so therefore you will get CD. Then you will find out the area of these two triangles ABD and BCD, and therefore you will find out the ratio. After this break, when our college will open, at that time you will submit this homework, and we will mark on your homework. Okay, my dear students, stay at home, don't go outside, be well and be safe, and last of all, thank you very much for watching this video.